Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 550. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has the night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. 20-inch, two-tone, 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black MB Tex interior with a black piano lacquer trim, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats, rear climate controls, third row seating, trailer hitch, GLS 550, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lanes keep assist, Distronic, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, illuminated door sills, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, card keys for media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS 550 has 19,327 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.